Squirtle, Bulbasaur, are you guys out there? Man, the storms really messed the trees up here. Squirt, you there?
Who goes there?
I'm War Turtle. Is my brother there? Looks like me, but less fluff and more bad choices.
Only you have passed through here. I request your assistance, young War Turtle.
Sure, but if you're an electric type, you'll have to turn off the juice. I'm a water and I don't feel like getting zapped right now.
An electric type? I'm not just an electric type.
I am the wind that fells the forest. I am the thunder that shakes the mountain. I am the storm zone that brings darkness to the day and light to the darkest of night. I am power, I am sound, I am Zappo. I am stuck in a kite string. Are you okay? My body is fine, but my dignity is quite bruised. Could you please unite this wretched string? Alright, I'm heading over. Don't sneeze or anything. Child, I'm a spirit of the elements. I promise I can control my energy. Alright, cool. Just checking. Oh wow. That's not as intense. How'd you get tied up like this? I flew into a kite. Okay. So after I free you, do I get a wish? Is that how it works? Absolutely not.